Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very special day. I was not planning on this day, but today is the day. My friend Chris, a long friend of mine, Chris is in town. Well, if you have watched this vlog for a very long time, you know who Chris is. But if you don't know who Chris is. So Chris is in town from Mexico, and he's in town for one day, and he wanted to go to Austin. So I might go today. I might not. I don't know. I'm gonna go see him right now and work it out. But I'm hungry. Probably go pick him up and have some food or something. Yeah. See, yeah. Oh my God. There he is.
I'm finally in the vlog. she watched like 3 of your videos.
Oh, for real? Oh, interesting.
He's gonna be in it.
Hi, what's her name?
Alexia.
Alexia. What's up, Alexia? Hi, and thank you for watching my vlog and for the support and for Chris and for everything. Look what Chris brought from Mexico. You wanna dress some shit? I just wanna go and see some shorts. Oh, the liquid cotton. That's a big bread. Just got my package for my iPhone screen. I'm so excited. Yeah, finally getting fixed. It hit you? Whoa. It hit you? Yes. Alright, we're gonna play a quick round of airsoft right now. I'll load the gun while we wait for Diego to get ready. Yeah, I like this car. And then Efren, Chris over here is gearing up too.
Yeah.
And Efren.
I'm on that battlefield shit.
Did you get me? Did I get you? That's it, I got it. That shit I'm in. I'm done. We got Diego, got Chris, got Efren. Today's gonna be lit.
Yeah, it was just one.
These are some bomb ass horchata. Like, jeez. Bro, you're not gonna feed us that. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Look at that tiny stomach. It's like a beam, bro. How do you finish that? Oh my gosh, look at that burger. That's what I got. Alright, we just finished with lunch. I'm so full. I had lunch before I left, and now I had lunch again. Yeah, it's time for me to take a nap. Come on, everyone, you got it. We're gonna hunt down the R8. Where's our R8 at? Alright. Oh, he's exiting. No, he's exiting. Okay, I got it. Yeah. That's the neat move. What's the lady jumping into? The lady's jumping into. Say that again. What? He's saying we're at track 21 right now. We're gonna show his skill. Diego thinks he's gonna win, but he ate too much, so he's gonna have too much weight on him. You know, so it ain't gonna work. I'm the skinniest guy here, and most experienced driver. So I think I got this. Oh, this is huge. This is huge, bro. What? Let's go inside. Oh wait, where's the entrance?
You go all the way.
Bro.
Fast, look. It's not like go fucking fast.
They got the air in there right there too. They got some laser tag things. Wow. Bro, it's $10.
What do you have to say?
Say what? Send your ID?
No.
People. Yeah, hey, the people.
I feel like a thug. Did you sit here?
Yeah, they're gonna send us some
instruction and stuff like that?
It's about a quarter mile long. We driving this bright orange CRG cars out there. Are you filming me?
Yes, I'm vlogging.
Okay. So This has never happened to me.
Alright.
So you'll be driving those bright orange CRG carts out there. They go about 65 miles an hour. So please be careful around the turns. They are fast. Don't underestimate them.
Okay.
You got all the way.
Yeah, the way in the back, and it spins.
I flipped it.
So right now I'm on a leading. I'm at 38, an average of 39. So way better than I did the first time, which is 56 average and 40 best lap. So 38. And Diego is not, he's not even on the chart. He's not. He's 39. So leading the charge, baby.
Really nice.
Alright guys, I'll be right back.
Alright.
Bro.
No.
You glowing, bro.
This is Area 21 Laser Tag. It's 8,000 square foot, 2-story arena. In this room right behind me is 45 battle suits you can choose from. Each.
Right, I want to pick my special name. What is this? This is Jet. I like Jet.
Game's gonna last 10 minutes. I'll give you 10 seconds to go and hide. Game starts when the music starts. If you have any issues at all whatsoever, let me know. I'll be in here the whole time. Alright, here you go. 10 seconds to hide, no running. Yeah, you can be there. I'm at 10 right behind. Very fine. Alright, 10 seconds, have fun.
Remember that caught them.
Are you guys make sure your guns are put back to your vest?
Last.
Oh!
Got one?
Phoenix is 7.
Jet, second place. Yeah, me, you in that corner, right?
I was controlling the corner and then upstairs and downstairs.
Yeah.
Walking up and I was already
Yeah, you got me all the time walking up the stair.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Let me redo it. Let me film it real quick. Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna buy another car right now. Actually we are. I'm not joking. David's buying a car. So looking at the Corolla LE right now. They're looking at the car right now back there, testing it, test driving it, stuff like that, checking everything is good. He might buy today, all cash. He might not. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see what's gonna go down. And they got the car. They got the car. They're back there, starting it up, warming it up. Come on, turn it off. Turn it off. And finally home sweet home. I need to like not go out so much because I'm still like sick and I keep on going out every day and it's getting worse and worse. But the good news is my phone is now fixed, baby. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Seriously, I've been going without an iPhone for like almost 2 weeks and it's like the worst thing ever. And I'm glad I have it back now. Everything is gonna be easier for me to just, you know, do business. And like my dad's phone, like people texting me and stuff like that, I don't know who it is and it sucks. So I'm glad I have this back. Yes. Anyway you guys, I'm home. I'm just gonna end the vlog. I'm really tired. I thought the Demon Eye is gonna come today for my 370Z and the wrap for my customer, but it didn't show up, so I have to wait till tomorrow. But tomorrow should be a pretty interesting vlog, so stay tuned. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Congratulations to David, got a new car. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.